To my YouTube channel Smart Web Studio. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of personal blog website. You can see here the clean and clear structure of this website. In this video I will completely guide you about this site, about the admin panel and user panel too. So viewers, if you want to buy this kind of website or any other website, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is in description. We will provide you complete support from installation to the live demo and completely free that nobody can provide from the market. So viewers, if you want further details, you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. And so viewers, without wasting much more time, let's start this video. So this is the homepage of this site. You can see here the amazing look of this site. There are 5 sections of this site. First one is home, second one is about, third one is my blog, contact and cart. Here are the social media links you can see here, and each and everything is changed from the admin panel. You can see here this is logo can be changed according to your requirement from the admin panel, and here you can see the amazing and clear look of this site. Each and everything is clearly readable and easy to read. Here you can see each and everything is changeable from the admin panel, and here these latest thoughts can be changed according to your requirements and according to your needs, and you adds as many as posts here. From here user can see all the posts, and you can add, user can add as many as, admin can add as many as posts he want from the admin panel. And here you can see admin will add about according to their choice, and the user can read about more from clicking here. And here you can see each and everything is clear and readable. This is a contact section. Internet is slow, that's why contact section is not clear here right now, but there was first name, last name, and here was email, and at last here was the message section, and here was a submit option. You can submit your message, user can submit message from here. Right now, because of slow internet, this section is not uploaded right now. So this is the photo section. Here you can see the amazing look of this site. So let's move toward the next section, that is about. Here viewers, admin can add the details according to the subject right here. So viewers, here you can see the amazing look of this site, and here as many as images admin can add from the admin panel according to their requirements. So let's move toward the next section, that is my blog. So viewers, here you can see the amazing look of this site. Here are the all posts, and the admin can add as many posts he want from the admin panel. So viewers, here here views will be shown, here comments will be shown, and here likes will be shown, and admin can track each and everything personally from the admin panel too. So viewers, this is the photo section. So let's move toward the next section, that is contact. Contact section is basically this one. This page is not loaded yet now, but I guide you about this. And here this is the card section. Here you can see the card section. Now no card is added here, that's why empty is shown. So as many as cards admin can add it according to the requirement from the admin panel. So viewers, here are the social media links. This was all about the user panel. So let's move toward the admin panel or the dashboard. Admin can manage this site from here, from the dashboard, and here is the home section. Admin can view all the site analytics, and the priority, date, activity feeds can also be seen from here right now. And here you can see AI agents, personal agents, and here is booking calendar, here is getting paid, and here you can see sales. Here are the catalogs, store products. In catalog section you can see here store products, inventory, category, back in stock request, option and modifier filter, find product to sell, promo cards. Here from here you can manage your cards, and booking services, a pricing plan. From here you can add your pricing plan, but right now because of this going the blog, personal blog website, you can see each and everything, and each and everything is available. Every kind of website is available. E-commerce website or any other websites are also available. You can directly contact us on WhatsApp for buying any website, and customization is also available. We can create and build a customized website too. So viewers, you can contact us directly on WhatsApp for further details. We can provide you complete guidance and complete support, and completely free that nobody can provide from the market. And thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe it too.